Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to see how does Python works internally, what is the architecture of the Python. So first of all, you write your code in VS Code or any code editor, you write your code in .py file. And there is a Python interpreter which has compiler and virtual machine. How does Python interpreter get downloaded? When you download the Python, like when you type download Python and here you install, right? Download python.exe you install, it has the compiler and Python virtual machine also. So this is the latest one currently, 3.1414. It is supported till 2027. So you can use it. You can also use till this month, but it has fully support till here. If any bug is coming, it will get fixed here. Bug support is there till here. Okay. So this is the one, and here. Now this Python interpreter has compiler. So .py file get passed to the compiler. Compiler will convert this into the bytecode. But bytecode is still not readable by the machines, right? So the Python virtual machine will convert this into a machine code, which is in the form of 0 and 1, because CPU only understand 0 and 1. Okay, so this Python virtual machine convert this into a 0 and 1, and then that's finally get executed. Okay, this virtual machine convert this into 0 and 1, and CPU will execute that 0 1 file. So I'll repeat one here. We have code editor. It could be VS Code, anything which has the .py file. Then Python interpreter with the help of compiler. It has compiler convert this into the bytecode. Bytecode.pyc file format. If you create virtual machines and all .vm, .vnb and all, here in the pycache file you can see this file. So it will create this .pyc file format, which is in the, which converts this .py file into bytecode file, and this bytecode file will read by the Python virtual machine PVM, and it will convert this into 0 and 1, which is into machine code format, and then the CPU will run that 0 and 1, and it will get the expected output. Sometimes .pyc file is not visible because it will store in the RAM. When the Python virtual machine convert this into the machine code and it's get executed the code, it will delete automatically. So we cannot see it there. But if you create virtual environment and all, so there you can see in the pycache folder your pyc, your bytecode file also. So this is the code editor, .py file. It compiler convert this into the bytecode, and the Python virtual machine convert this into machine code, which is 0 and 1, and which will get executed by the CPU, and you will get the expected output. So I hope the internal working of Python is clear. So thank you.